praying ain't no witness. RIP's in the clip, if he take 2 to 3 steps, that's what I'ma give him. You know Bug never slipping and I'm steady limping, cause these Benjis in my britches got him unlifted. Uncle serving dog and got a sentence, but he know no snitching, he gon' Michael Vick it, yeah.
Hey y'all, I'm back. And as you can hear, my mom's in the background over here. I am about to put this wig on. I ran out of this here, so I couldn't prep like I normally needed to prep for this part. So I hope it come out right. I don't even know what I'm doing for real anyway to be trying to use a cap. And I low-key don't want to use a cap, but yeah, we gonna see what happens. Y'all see the wig though? Yeah, okay, I'm about to try to put this on, so here we go. And I put some makeup on it already. Plucked it a little bit too, so. Thank you, buddy. It's the laugh for me.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck?
And we done, y'all. Please stop playing. Guess I ain't doing no bad plucking job. And then I think it's gonna look right, huh? Alright, let's stop playing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I've never used them before and I hope it works. I just seen them a lot on Instagram and it's supposed to be waterproof, so I wanted to try it because I might be wearing this to work. So this is the brand. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of it before. But yeah, I don't know how it's gonna really work. I really wanted to stick to what I know, but I'm just trying things out here. So let's see how this goes. This part here, I think is supposed to help stick it. It's like a primer. So I'm supposed to put this on first, and then this is the actual glue. So, yeah, let's see.
Bruh.
Cut. Can't go that. Bruh.
Take 2.
Thank goodness for editing. Yes. So it says to clean the skin, which I did. And it's supposed to be applied before. Keep in mind you need to press down and break the seal. Okay, yeah, we did all that. Okay, so let it dry until it's not tacky to the touch. Do not apply to severely irritated skin. Scalp protector. Thick is not meant to replace tape or liquid adhesive. Okay, so I mean, it didn't really come off sticky, so I don't know what they mean by that. Unless I didn't use enough, but I do feel it. I'm gonna use a little bit more just to be safe, but yeah. My forehead look big.
actually got my forehead.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Why you coming at me? That's why I was looking at
I
yours.
don't think I got a big forehead.
Oh.
Yeah, little.
Y'all hear what I be going through? She be coming at me like I don't look like her.
Wow.
She mad because I'm the blacker version of her.
Oh, wow.
The truth be hidden, don't it?
Not at all.
The truth be hidden. I feel like it's dry. It's not really sticky. Oh, you know what I did forget? That edge cutter when I gotta cut the lace.
Why don't you want to just peel it off?
No, I can use scissors.
Got him! Got him!
Always got jokes. This is the glue.
Okay.
I'm about to cut her out. Coming at me like this. I mean, for it to cost the way it did in this little bitty piece of thing, like, yeah, it better work. This says apply a thin layer. I don't think that was pretty thin. When the glue turns clear, apply the lace. Press and hold for 1 minute. Oh, dang, that is pretty strong. Let's see. It'd be so weird putting this on when the lace be so long.
Yeah.
Some people say it helped them, but it don't really help me.
Because they can pull it and see at the same time. Without their hand being.
I guess that's true. I got makeup in the hair. To me, I'm not feeling this glue. Okay, so far I'm not feeling this glue at all. I got some glue at home where literally I put it on there, 2 seconds later it's stuck to my scalp. Like, you yank that bad boy, it ain't coming off. I'm not really feeling this glue. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't see how it's waterproof. It barely wanna stick. But it's really sticky. But it ain't sticking, if that makes sense. And it don't. Look, it's coming right on off.
I think that's called false advertising.
Yeah. I agree. Protects and grows edges. I bet.
That's why, because it doesn't stick.
It doesn't stick. It's not gonna fall out because it ain't sticking.
They tricked you.
Definitely tricked me. And it came with like a whole kit, and it's got a remover like that mug was gonna really be stuck. Like it really was gonna be stuck. I know I could do enough until I get home with it though, and use the other glue. Okay, I have it on here right now. I got some makeup on there. I'm gonna have to get that off, but I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down. I don't know if I'm feeling this glue yet. I'm gonna try to give it a chance, but I'm not really feeling it. So yeah, I'm gonna tie it down, give it a few minutes, and see if it holds better then. So yeah, I'll be back after I let this sit for a while. Bye. Hi, I'm back. 1 minute, please. I broke 2 nails today. Let me take another sip for those 2 nails. Pouring for the homies. Cause that's depressing. Don't even worry about it. My nail tech back in town, baby. And I'm already booked. So yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna see how this coming, cause I don't know. I don't know how this glue coming. I wasn't feeling it at first, but who knows? It might have took a little minute to dry, and then it might be cool after that. Dang, I wasn't playing with that tie game, huh? So yeah, by me pressing it down, it might be cool. Let's see. Okay, it's giving me. Okay. It's giving me what I needed to give for the moment. Yeah, me cutting this though, y'all gonna have to bear with me because I only done this a few times with scissors. I normally just do this. My son is playing with me right now. Close the door, son. Playing so much. I normally use something else when I do this. But I'm not a professional. I don't know how to do this for real. I might do this like every blue moon when I can't get to somebody like I need to. And this was last minute because really I wasn't even supposed to be taking my sew-in out yet. So yeah, I'll be waking up wanting to do something different. Pretty much sporadic. So yeah, about to hurry up because we still here. I'm still enjoying my family and I gotta go to work tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna try to cut this, y'all. So bear with me. Okay, I see I'm gonna need to tape a little bit here, which, not tape, but glue. But normally when I do this, I never put nothing there. I always leave that last because sometimes wigs don't even make the same on them sides. And I kind of got a little small head Fred syndrome at times. So yeah. Other than that though, I can say the glue did stick where I did put it. So, yeah, so far it's better than what I thought it was because at first y'all I wasn't feeling it at all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But it's doing what it needs to do. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish cutting the rest. I hope y'all can see y'all. If this light's so bright, I can't see if y'all can even see me. I can't even see me, so I hope y'all can see this. Okay, now a little trick I learned for the side part right here is hold it down real tight when you're cutting in this area so you don't cut it too short by the ear. So So see how now you can still have that part. I've cut too short in that area sometimes, but I'd rather have a little too much lace than not enough and it just look crazy by the ear. Okay guys, I'm going to cut this side as well now. I think I want to cut this part. So now I'm gonna lift up some of the areas that needs to be, well, normally I don't have to do that. It's okay actually. When I cut it right on this side, I never have to really glue it. So here is fine. It was a side, something on this side I wanted to cut. I feel like I should cut this lace here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it, so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, I feel like it's cool now. So I'm just gonna try to make it look natural in a way. So I'm gonna try to make my part more pronounced now that it's in my head and glued down. I can kind of get a better feel for it. Y'all hear my son? You would think he was sipping with us because he's lit. Yo, spirit fingers. Look at my nails. This is so annoying. Like, my nails never, ever be like this. It's here in my mouth. I feel like, there you go. But yeah, my nails never ever be like that, ever. I don't like that. Because they done broke my real nails with it, so now I look like I got little booty fingers. Don't be touching me with that booty fingers. Alright, I normally would use a hot comb and get this to how I need it to be, but it looks like my mom doesn't have one. I'm not at home. So I'm about to see if her... That's fancy. I'm about to see if I can make it do what it do with her flat irons. So I'm gonna let that warm up. And I'll be back. I'm gonna let those warm up and try to see if I can style this a little bit. But it's okay. I'm not really feeling it too much, but it's only because it's not styled. I like the curls though. I'm not sure if you guys can see the curls, but I like it. It's cool for me just to go to work. I'm not really going nowhere. I don't got nothing to do for real. I don't know who I think I am. Like, I just need to be out fine and perfect, because I am. And I am. Let me stop here. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna let this warm up a little bit and go check on my son, because he's out here breakfast. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I was able to find what I needed to. I was able to get some more of this. My hand, thank you. She's my assistant today.
Not paid.
Queen D. You have to let YouTube take off, then we can pay you. Y'all heard that? I need to pay my mama. Y'all got me in debt. Please do what y'all have to do. I was over here messing with this, y'all. My ear is little.
Cut.
She's fired. Okay, so, and also, I was messing with this part, y'all. It's very much thin, I think. It's not giving me natural. So, I started plucking and realized I wasn't recording, so, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see why I pluck.
to check on my tire. Matter of fact, I'm finna go out in the garage right now and
In the
check on
dark.
my car. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the back tire.
Gonna check it now.
Yeah. Yeah. You still?
Put my.
I can't even.
I forget my mama said I almost cussed him out, man. Put my cup down.
This nigga, if you ever see a nigga with a head, like look at this for that. Look at this. If you in the line somewhere at a Family Dollar, anywhere, and you look and you see that, you gonna want to touch it, ain't you? You not just gonna let him just live his life with his head.
Bruh.
Like that. You gonna touch it. Look,
They can't see the head.
nigga head. Look, nigga head this round. You gonna ask him, hey, bro, like what?
What's to you?
Just let me
Is that
feel,
real?
Let me feel your head, man.
Let me rub it.
That's a
Nah, every time I come across somebody with a head like that in the store, I just stare at it. Like,
Wait, y'all see people with heads
it
like
look
that?
like it
I
might
can't stop staring at
it'll
it.
pop, like it'll bust. It's like look like a boil or something, don't it? Nigga got a boil.
You just
head.
want to squeeze it like it's one for
You
sure.
wanna catch that tire while you're dead out there.
Man, I do it.
And that's what happens when your video's interrupted.
Man, when you be recording and then it be feeling like you're not recording, then you just start recording. It seem that I don't know.
Wasn't I recording the whole time?
Yeah.
That's because I'm just natural on the camera. You're right. I don't put on the facade.
Cut. Take 3.
It's the hating for me. You know? I can't fake it on the camera. That's why I be ratchet. And they probably would monetize me when they go through all my videos and hear my mouth. So. Levi, get out for you get a whooping. So let's get back to it, y'all. We're just trying to pluck and make this look a little natural. Ooh. Almost dropped my drink. Can't do that.
On YouTube? You drinking?
I am drinking on YouTube. Yes, I am.
That's bad.
That's great. It's awesome.
Well, you better not be drinking liquor.
Better not be drinking what?
You better not be drinking liquor.
Looker. Y'all heard it here first from Levi the Great. And that was Lee with the boogie. Lee Boogie with the hoodie. That came in earlier, interrupted. If y'all ever wonder whose song that is in my intro, that's Bro. And that's on period. I know you've been wondering. Like, who is this cold nigga? Whose song is this? It's him. Check him out on Audio Mac. Lee Boogie. Now this right here is just helping me straighten this a little away from each other so I can see what else I need to do. I'm gonna leave this here till I figure out what I'm gonna do with it, y'all. I work backwards. Huh? What'd you say? Oh. 'Cause I know somebody said something. Ma, what did you say a while for?
Bruh.
I'm always dropping something. If somebody, like if I ever make it for real and my videos really take off and somebody do them videos where they mix, what is it called? It start with a C and end with shun. When they combine a whole bunch of videos. No. When they combine a whole bunch of videos into one, and all of them will be me dropping something in every video. Count how many times this dummy drops something in her videos. That would be me. Okay, y'all, this is the glue I was talking about. It was the one that I was almost out of and didn't have a top to, so I didn't use. But it's enough for me to try to do the sides of my head. It's called Meltdown. Get into like I love that glue. And for me, I don't know how to do this stuff for real. So this was like the best glue for me as a beginner, because you don't need a lot of it. You don't have to do much with it, and it still works, like, for sure. So yeah. What I used wasn't bad. I'm not giving them a bad review on it, but just me as a beginner, it's just too much for me. I probably need to watch a couple more videos or see somebody in person do it. But this one right here never failed me, baby. Never. And it's waterproof as well. Yeah, it's waterproof. No, y'all can see. Sorry, probably can't see, but it's waterproof. I'll try to take a picture for y'all and insert it in. Actually, I'll just find it off Google, because my bottle dirty. Just being honest. Now look, you see how fast that worked? I ain't have to tie it down, I ain't have to do nothing. That bad boy down now. So yeah. Stick to what you know, people. Stick to what you know. But I always leave my size first, just because I feel like when I put this down first, I have to maneuver a little bit more. So I always leave my size last. That net was getting on my nerves.
Really, nigga?
Okay. Yeah, my hand's a little sticky. I feel like my part can be played with a little bit more, but I'm gonna just see what I can do first before I keep messing with it, because I'm gonna get annoyed. Like, I learned to, when I start getting annoyed with it, just move on to the next thing and come back to it. All right. I'm just trying to see if I need to plug some more, y'all. That's what I'm over here looking at and messing with. I don't feel like I need to plug no more. I want to leave some. At first, I wanted to do baby hairs, but honestly, I don't want to do none because it don't last when I have to go to work. So, yeah. I'm not going to do any. Plus, I haven't mastered doing it on a wig. And I feel like if your baby hair is not right, it make it look more wiggy. So I'm not gonna do that. Okay, what I'm doing now is just going around and basically trying to put some heat and push down the hair so it don't look so bulky and wiggy. Like, yeah, I don't like that. My ear, this how my mask be making my ear look. Little bitty elf ears. Say something. Say something. Okay. I'm gonna mess with y'all. I love y'all. Y'all really be here watching me. I fucks with y'all. It's all games. I don't be coming at y'all for real. So don't be getting sensitive on me now. Okay? Okay. Ooh. I'm something, y'all. Okay, that's good for now. I like these curls. The more I play with them and comb them out. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up because I'm a little tired now. I'm a little underweight. And my little earring hitting red on this wig. Sometimes people need to make wigs for little ear people. Yeah. They should think about it sometimes. I wonder if my curls fell because I felt like it was falling before I even put it on. So I'm just letting y'all see it. Yeah, I think it'd probably be really cute if I did some baby hairs, but I'm not in the mood to do that. Pretty tired and we gotta get on this road and go home. So that is the end of this video. This is just for beginners, like, yeah, it's not like obnoxious or whatever. You know what I am gonna do real quick though? See what I can use for my mom's stuff. Be the same color. Even though she feel like she darker than me. The denial was real. Yeah, your in denial grandma, yeah.
I mean her is. I mean her is.
Her is what? Talking about her is. She is.
Her is black.
She is black, but she's not darker than me.
Oh.
She's a black person, yes.
Why do you say she?
Because you're really supposed to say she, not her. She. She is.
Fine, I'm not doing nothing. I keep going away.
I feel like that actually looks a little better. It's the part for me. When I get home, I'll be able to do more what I need to do and see a little bit better. But I just wanted to do my hair because I got to go to work tomorrow. And that's the only need to come out. I need to oil my scalp, baby. So this is my first how to do a wig in a way. It was very much ratchet. It is my first one. I hope you enjoyed it. Now let me stop playing. It wasn't bad though. This is just me doing it myself, not knowing what I'm doing, but trying to make something work. You know what I'm saying? I feel like we gotta know our place in the world, okay? I don't know how to do hair. I don't do hair, but I also don't want to walk around looking crazy. So, you know, I have to learn to make it do what it do when I need to do it. And that's how I make it do what it do when I need to do it. It's pretty much what I do any knowledge of things. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned a little something, even if it's just one little trick or whatever. Ma, you like me? Let me see. Like it? Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to drop videos back to back. So yeah, the next one will probably be an update on my detox that I'm on, which I wasn't supposed to drink, so that's why I've been sipping a little bit. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna drink. Okay?
No.
And on that note, thank you for watching little old me, and I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, I lied. I told y'all I was gone, right? But the light was too bright, so I couldn't see how wiggy and bulky it was looking until I turned all these lights off. So I just wanted to come back and let y'all see after I fix the bulkiness in it. So yeah, it was giving me very much wiggy before and I wasn't liking that. So I just want to try to see the real finished product. You know, if you want to book with me or whatever, you go ahead and book with me. Go ahead and drop it down in the comment below if you want to book with me. I need to stop playing. I'm about to get off here, y'all. I just want you to see the real finished product because them lights came off and I was like, wow, wiggy wonder, and I wasn't feeling that. So yeah. Thanks again for watching my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Every time I turn around and have a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you for viewing me. And I'm gonna just keep dropping videos for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on my next video because you know it's coming soon. Period.